Hey there! So it's me trying to get back to vlogging, and I've decided to film today, which is a Saturday, kasi ang tagal ko nang nakafocus lagi sa work, and then I realized that I haven't been living my life to the fullest, really. I have always been just working and working and working, waiting for the next day to come to start working again. But since the surgery that I had, which was the recent gallbladder removal, open cholecystectomy, I realized that I should be living life more and maybe film it, documenting every single thing because ang bilis ng panahon. The next thing I'd know maybe is that I'll wake up and I'm 50. So why not? Anyway, pili muna ako ng order ko because nagugutom na rin talaga ako. Tapos na ako mag-fill up ng form. Sana makapasa ako sa exam. There you go. Thank you. Okay.
And also, ongoing pa yung promo niya na yung parang extra noodles. Wala. Wala.
Okay, yung extra noodles na tinatanong ko doon kay ate was for the past 2 weeks kasi na kumakain ako dito sa Ramenagi. Kapag umorder ka ng ramen nila, meron siyang pa-free na extra noodles. So, 1 set of extra noodle. And I asked just now, and 95 pesos pala yung extra na yon. So, imagine, makakatipid ka ng 95 kasi may promo. Pero, ayun nga, wala. So, wala tayong magagawa. But actually, ang dami rin naman kasi ng serving ng Ramenagi. So, yung isang bowl na ramen, parang good for 2 persons na yun. Madalas hindi ko siya kayang ubusin. Pero magmula nung nalaman ko na may promo na extra noodles for free, ina-avail ko yun. And surprisingly, nauubos ko yung ramen bowl ko. After the surgery, sobrang yung appetite ko talagang kain. Parang sabi ng tiyan ko, you only live once, kumain ka. Please, kumain ka. Ganon. Parang roar. Oh, and by the way, the idea of this video is to go on a solo date with myself. Solo date nga eh. Yeah. The idea is to go on a solo date and enjoy life. So today, I've decided to just go out and see kung ano yung mga pwede kong gawin. And ngayon nga, napagdesisyonan ko na kumain muna dito and maybe have coffee after. I'm not so sure yet kasi hindi ko alam kung may gana pa akong mag-coffee after this kasi baka naman busog na ako after. So if hindi ako magko-coffee mamaya, siguro manonood ako na ng The Devil Wears Prada. Though kanina tinignan ko yung cinema, parang hindi na siya showing. So if not The Devil Wears Prada, baka yung Colony or Backrooms. Hindi ko pa alam. Or baka bumalik na lang ako sa unit at manood ng Netflix. Kasi I also realized gaano ako kalala gumastos for the past few months. It's been crazy. Ang bilis ah. Yes po. There you go. Thank you. Ito na yung tamago na extra na. Oh yes, clips. Thank you. That was quick. Serving time is 10 to 15 minutes pero parang 3 minutes lang nandito na agad. So, kakain na ako, wala pa ako napipili. Pero bago tayo magchismisan, kakain na muna ako kasi para mainit. Sayang naman pag lumamig. But yeah, let me show you muna ano tong pagkain ko. Yep, that's what we're having. So, kakain muna ako. Itutuloy ko yung kwento mamaya. Okay? Kain muna tayo. Gutom na rin talaga ako. Great, so I just finished eating and You might be wondering, ano ba yung pinapanood ko habang kinakain ko to at sarap na sarap ako sa pag-ugos ng ramen. I have been actually trying to learn AI more. So I've been into AI automations. There's been a lot of advancement since the past 6 months. And I need to catch up. Anyway, I just finished eating and magko-coffee na ako kasi yes, I'd wanna have coffee. At doon na natin ituloy yung chismisan, okay? I'm having butterscotch latte. The usual. Nung na-try ko siya, na-addict na ako ng malala as in wala na akong tinry na wait, I gotta pay. As I was saying, yung butterscotch latte ng Harlan & Holden, my face, nagkaroon ako ng face na parang 2 weeks straight, inaamats ko siya. Ganun kalala. So kung ikaw, hindi mo pa nasusubukan yung butterscotch latte ng Harlan & Holden, please itry mo. So, again, hindi ko alam kung natapos ko yung kinukwento ko kanina about the purpose of this video, no? I went out to do a solo date with me video kasi recently I have been just working a lot. Hindi ko na masyadong naramdaman yung pahinga and yung life. Ayan, so I have just randomly decided to head out kahit na wala naman akong plans gawin today. Wala akong plan na i-meet na friend. Kahit na ako lang mag-isa because I needed to remind myself na tuloy-tuloy lang ang ikot ng mundo. At hindi lang sa work umiikot dapat yung mundo mo. Kasi marami pang nangyayari sa labas. And walang point yung mag-work ka lang ng mag-work tapos hindi mo na na-enjoy yung fruits ng labor mo. Parang, does that make sense? I have been enjoying life naman, I would say. Pero, ever since the gallbladder removal, parang na-realize ko na kulang pa yun. I need to enjoy life more pa. Number 84. Thank you. This is what I was talking about kanina pa. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nainom. Parang 1 month akong hindi nakapag-coffee, nakapag-Harlan & Holden kasi nga na-operahan ako. And ngayon ko lang ulit siya matitikman. So, yes, I deserve this. Ang sarap. It's a 10 out of 10. Okay, what if we talk about realizations in my 20s? Bukod dun sa sinabi ko kanina. Yeah. O sige, include na natin lang. My realizations. So first, you need to live life more. Hindi pwedeng lagi kang goal-oriented. Lagi kang merong ina-achieve. Kasi mababurnout ka. Enjoyin mo rin yung fruits ng labor mo. Kasi at the end of the day, kung magpo-focus ka na lang sa pag-reach ng goal, kailan mo may enjoy yung mga nabubunga or yung mga binubunga ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo ngayon, di ba? Does that make sense? Like, work, save, invest. Tapos, kailan mo plano i-enjoy? Pag 60 ka na, hindi ka pa nga sure kung aabot ka ng 60. So, just live. Definitely the best thing to do is to save. But what I'm trying to say is don't save too much to an extent na you have been depriving yourself of the things na you know you'd love to do, you'd enjoy doing. Just find the balance, really. Then number 2, realization. I realized na totoo yung sa isang iglap, pwedeng wala ka na. Pwedeng patay ka na. Especially nung time na nasa ospital ako. I wasn't even sure if aabot ako the next day. Or kung gigising pa ako the next day. Or kung after ba ng surgery ko, magigising pa ako. Kasi operahan ako Talagang inoperahan ako. To give you an idea, the surgery was supposed to be done through ERCP and a laparoscopic cholecystectomy. What's laparoscopic cholecystectomy? Kasi hindi ko rin talaga alam yun nung na-search ko. Laparoscopic is, instead of them opening you up, gagawa lang yung doctor ng tiny incisions, 3, enough for the equipments to go, get inside you, and remove whatever needs to be removed. And as for my case, that was the gallbladder. The problem was I had Meniere's syndrome, so they had to eventually switch to open cholecystectomy. And open cholecystectomy means they'd have to cut you up. Like really, yung talagang hiwa na. And kakalkalin na yung laman mo gamit yung hands, not just the tools. So scary, di ba? Scary. So yun. Anyway, ba't ko ba nakwento yun? I realized na anytime, any moment now, pwedeng wala ka na, pwedeng mamatay ka na. So enjoy. Enjoy kasi kung kahit anong goal yung tinatry mo i-achieve, wala eh. Wala yun kapag wala ka na. Yeah. Wala yun kapag... Anyway, realization number 3. I realized that you should really be doing the things you wanna do in life. I realized that you should be investing in yourself, in the things you love to do, and that it doesn't have to be monetized. Kasi sa social media ngayon, parang lahat na lang dapat diskarte, hustle, sikap, diskarte, diploma, whatever that is. The trend on social media was, I don't remember. Pero parang laging dapat lahat ng ginagawa mo merong reward. Na parang kapag ginawa ko to, oh, it's because I'm earning this. Ginagawa ko to because I'm getting there. I'm getting that. I'm getting this. I'm building this. I'm building that. No, just enjoy. Invest on the things you love to do because you love them, not because you're able to monetize them. Gawin mo lang. Enjoyin mo lang for yourself. Isipin mo na lang na yung reward na lang niya is the fact na nagawa mo siya. Like, yay, you can take that off your bucket list na. Let's say, I wanted to film a decent vlog where I'm actually talking after 5 years. Kasi the last time I've done a vlog where I actually talked to you guys, talked to the camera, was like, how many years ago? 10 years ago? 9 years ago? And that was me back in high school. I didn't have enough of the equipments. I didn't have much to do. I didn't have any events to attend to. Pero I keep on vlogging. I keep on recording everything. I kept on recording everything. And taking you guys with me just because I felt like it. Pero that stopped eh. I had to stop doing that kasi ewan ko na apektuhan ata ako sa mga comments ng mga tao nasa paligid ko noon sa school. So I stopped. And ngayon, I've been trying to get that courage back. And I think na overcome ko na yun. Now, given the fact na I'm recording this video now and talking to you guys as if I've been doing this for so long. Pero ayun, sana nga ma-upload ko tong video na to and I'm not so sure. Baka tama rin ako mag-edit or maybe I'd end up realizing that no, I don't want to post this video. But we'll see. I hope I end up posting it. I just realized I miss talking to the camera. I've been doing this. I started doing this nung 16 ako or 15. 16, 15 years old until 18 years old. And then suddenly I stopped. Basta may something within me, something inside me that's been stopping me from doing it again. Pero ngayon, na-overcome ko na yun. So hey, I'm so proud of myself. So I've shared 3 realizations na, no? First was to live your life. Second was that anytime pwedeng mag-end na yung mga bagay-bagay dyan. And pangatlo is that you should be investing in yourself, not because it can be monetized, not because you're getting something out of it or whatever. Pero just do it. But rather invest in yourself because you know that you're worth investing on. Ay, ang ganda nun ah. Ang ganda nun ah. Invest in yourself not because you can monetize it, but because you know that you're worth investing for. Manalaysay 2026. I love that. Those are the only realizations I can think of right now, no? Kasi ang biglaan naman. Parang di naman ako nakapag-ready. So iwan muna natin sa 3 realization na yon. I might do another video where I actually list down the things na na-realize ko in my 20s and mas ma-expound natin ng mas maayos. Pero for now, relax muna tayo, chill. let me enjoy my coffee. And I'm gonna go watch entertaining videos naman. Enough with AI. Ayun. Bigla akong naisip, parang ang dami kong na-share, ang dami kong nadaldan, ang dami kong nag-chika sa inyo. So, kalma. Enough chika for the first video muna, no? Anyway, manonood muna ako. I don't know what's next. We're done. I'm heading home na. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Actually, let's go. Pumunta ako dito. Dapat pala dito ako tumambay kanina. Habang umiinom ng coffee kasi mas chill siya. Mas gusto ko yung ambience dito sa labas. Yung hangin, ganun. Pero wala eh, tapos na eh. 'Di ba? Naubos mo na yung kape mo eh, tsaka gusto mo nang umuwi, 'di ba? Balik muna ako sa unit. Or maybe ito na yung ending ng video ko. Kung pinanood mo hanggang dulo, thank you. If not, okay lang. See you next time. And if you're someone binge watching my videos in the future, like, whatever, does that make sense? Malay mo, 2030, tapos ikaw nag-binge watch ng mga video ko, tapos umabot ka dito, edi hi din sa'yo. Hello, thank you for binge watching. Tara, halika na, ang daming sinasabi. I guess that's it for this video. Bye-bye. Thanks. Peace out. Let's go.